Robert Jenrick, one of the final four candidates in the race to replace Rishi Sunak as Conservative Party leader, has made immigration control a key part of his campaign. He has promised to take strict actions, particularly focusing on limiting visa to the countries that are refusing to take back their citizens who are living illegally in the UK. He specifically mentioned India and Vietnam as countries that he plans to target. Jenrick also highlighted that in 2023, the UK issued 250,000 visas to Indian nationals for work, study and visits. However, he pointed out that around 1 lakh Indians are living in the United Kingdom illegally, and only few hundreds have been deported. He quoted, "We are not deporting enough." Now that's clearly his frustration that is depicting in this particular situation. A plan to increase deportation, that's what he is claiming. Jenrick has created a 5-point plan to boost the number of deportation, and his goal is to deport 5 times more illegal migrants than before, aiming for over 1 lakh people each year. Now, to achieve this, he believes that UK needs to get tougher on countries that won't take back their citizens. His solution? That is to restrict visas to those countries until they agree to cooperate. The UK has tried to address this particular issue before. In 2021, the UK and India signed an agreement to return illegal Indian nationals. But in 2023, only 22,000 plus illegal migrants were deported and just 3,000 plus of them were from India. Here, let me tell you that his plan just goes beyond just visas. He also thinks that UK should cut foreign aids to countries that don't cooperate in taking back their citizens. He particularly called out Iraq, Somalia and Afghanistan as its examples. He quoted, "We need to stop letting countries to take advantage of our generosity." That's not it. Jenrick also wants new laws that will make it really easy to deport illegal migrants. He plans to label countries like Vietnam, Turkey and Brazil as safe countries. This means that UK would be able to send back migrants from these places more quickly. Well, he pointed out that these countries are popular holiday destinations, not places devastated by war. So, returning people there should be straightforward. In addition, he wants the UK to leave the European Convention of Human Rights. He believes that this would simplify the process of deporting foreign offenders and dealing with illegal migration. He also raised concern about foreign offenders in UK. He revealed that there are about 11,000 plus foreign criminals in the country and nearly 4,000 of them have remained in the UK for more than 5 years after serving prison sentences. Now, foreign prisoners make up a large population of the prison population in England, specifically Wales we are talking about, and this costs the taxpayers millions each year. Jenrick also believes that employers who hire illegal workers should also be accountable. He thinks that current system is placing too much pressure on communities and taxpayers. He quoted, "Illegal migration is putting an unbearable strain on our country." Well, it seems that he is calling for a complete outhaul of the system. Now, if we talk about his leadership, then Jenrick has gained significant support in the race to replace Rishi Sunak. He has performed well in past 2 years in the parliamentary debates, and many believe that he is a strong candidate, making it to the final vote. However, Home Office officials have clarified that current Labour-led government does not have a visa ban policy in the place. In conclusion, Robert Jenrick's approach to immigration is focused on strict enforcements. He wants to cut visas and foreign aids to countries that don't take back their citizens, create new laws to speed up deportation, and hold employers accountable for hiring illegal workers. Now, whether or not he will have the opportunity to implement these policies remains to be seen. But his tough stance on immigration is very clear, which is not surely in favor of India. For more such videos, do follow TimesXP.